So the daily chart has not the best price action, and that's because my bias was I hadn't a bias for today, but then I can show you what I've done at market open. So this is London session from here till to New York open. We the price held off and we swept these lows, but this daily sell side liquidity stayed open, stayed unswept. Then we swept again back high, and this was then for me the London high liquidity and the Asia liquidity. This was my target for today because I saw we sell off, then back high, and again a sell off. So for New York opening, we need to go back higher to this point. So then at the pre-market started, we had here a lot of not good price action. The market opened with a big move up, then retraced down, swept these highs and made a first present fair value gap for the day. And I entered my first trade from this reaction with this small candle here. You can see this small candle, this was my entry, right there. And I wanted the price to go to this fair value gap from Asia session. I could also have this Asia session buy side liquidity as my target, but I made it here. And I got stopped out right for the tick. Stopped out. Then I waited for another opportunity for another long. And then we have this fair value gap. It got inversed here. And then I waited a little bit and made my entry at this. I think at this. I can show you the execution. Wait. So my first entry was here from this reaction of the fair value gap, and I got stopped out here. And my second entry was here with this candle, and I made a mistake with this account. I got stopped out here, but because I misclicked. But on the other account, I bought another account. There I hit the target, and yes. I don't hit the target directly because my take profit was here, but then I saw this reaction and take my profits here. So it's like something like that. Yeah. And I copy trade these accounts so they have both the same trading size. I traded with 1 micro at each account. With the first trade I made $70 in drawdown, and the second trade with this account where I didn't misclick I made $155. And yes, so for the end of the day I made $48 in profit, and on this account I misclicked and I made $3 for the end of the day. Yeah, it's not this perfect, not that good, but yeah, I misclicked. It's also not good, but the trade was okay. I knew the bias. I'm happy with my execution. I'm happy with my trade. For the first trade I could let the stop loss a little bit more place to breathe, so the market could move a little bit more down and then go up. But yeah, I got stopped out, made another trade and hit my full take P. At this point I got break even, as was with this candle, and this fair value gap was formed, and I wanted the fair value gap to stay open. Yes, it was a nice trade. I'm happy with my execution. I'm happy with my mindset. I'm happy with my psychology that I don't revenge trade, made another trade, or open more than 1 micro, etc. It was everything good. I made everything clear and good. And yeah, the price goes more and more up. I could have made this to my full TP, but yeah, this was okay. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.